Welcome. In this video I will show you how to resolve most commonly occurring keyboard issues on Lenovo Yoga Slim 7. So first of all, let's open the on-screen keyboard, which will be our helping hand while the keyboard is inactive. So go to settings on your device, open accessibility on the sidebar, then scroll down to keyboard, open this menu and enable on-screen keyboard in this on this page. Okay, now using the on-screen keyboard, you have to go to the start menu and search for Notepad. Once you find it, open it, and we want to use it to test our device's keyboard. So just try pressing each key on your keyboard and see whether the entire keyboard is inactive or just some specific keys. If the entire keyboard is inactive, then we're gonna have to troubleshoot the software issue. So first of all, go to start menu, then go to settings. After that, you have to not settings but device manager. So search for device manager. Once again, use on-screen keyboard or the external keyboard if you can connect it to your laptop. Then in the device manager, you're gonna have to expand keyboards list, then select HID keyboard devices, right click each of them, click uninstall, uninstall the first one, uninstall the second one, and let's uninstall this one too. Uninstall, then click yes to restart your laptop or restart it manually, and wait until the operation is finished. Once the device is restarted, it will redetect the keyboard and will reinstall the drivers automatically. After the laptop is restarted, try using your keyboard once again, see if it works, and if it's not working, then let's update drivers for our device. So to do that, let's open the web browser and let's open a new tab and search for support.lenovo.com. Here we're gonna have to select detect product underneath the PC option. Then we're gonna have to go to drivers and software. Now we can either perform an automatic update or we can also go for manual update. Select drivers, find mouse, touchpad and keyboard. But in this case we'll only find Lenovo Function Keys driver. Let's install it so I can show you how to properly install drivers on your laptop. So just run the file that you downloaded, click yes, then click I accept, and click next once again. Make sure to select install, click next, install, and then finish. Okay, so right now the driver is reinstalled. So that's how you install any driver on this computer. Also run the automatic update scan, click start scan, and check whether your device needs to update any other drivers. Here you have to hit the checkbox next to I have read and agree to Lenovo service breach terms and conditions. Click continue, click open, then wait until the scan is finished and you'll get the list of drivers. Download each one of them and install them on your computer. Okay, so once you update all the drivers, restart your computer by going to the start menu, power options, select restart, and after that check your keyboard once again. Now if your keyboard is not functioning, then you have to turn off your laptop fully. Select shutdown instead of restart, and after that wait until the power indicator on your power button shuts down too. Unplug all the USB devices from your computer, and after that wait for a couple of seconds until your device is fully disabled, and then prepare some tool to remove the keys that malfunction. So it can be, you can either use the dedicated keycap puller or you can also use flat hat tool. So remove all the keys that aren't working, then use the compressed air can, make sure to use it under the angle and not to put it too close to your keyboard so that you can dust the keyboard without spilling liquid from the compressed air can. And then reapply the keycaps, restart your device, and check out the keyboard once again. And if you're still experiencing the issues, you can either reach out a Lenovo customer support service, especially if your device is on warranty. They will be able to repair your laptop for free. Otherwise, you can just take your laptop to the nearest repair center. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.